Here we are today, YouTube. This is part 2 of this T-Mobile Galaxy Note 8 device, which it definitely did not take us a long time to get everything fully resolved, in which, as you can see, when we had this section done in part 1, it said blocked, and that's the same Imei. So I'm just gonna, you might have to just make a whole new T-Mobile tab. Yeah, so let's just start over fresh. Sometimes when they error out, that means the page timed out right there. Validate. Congratulations. Ooh. So we're just gonna go ahead and create a whole new swapper page just in case swapper wants to time out too. Yes, we do all of the newest devices like iPhone X's, iPhone 10s, whatever you want to call them, 8s, 8 pluses. Voila, clean and cleared off swapper. T-Mobile. Every device is eligible. Watches, iPads, everything you want to name. Thank you for watching. Tune in and subscribe.